Hello everyone, how to use ChatGPT in solving programming and code contests of the worldwide uh, contests code forces. This website for contests, it's a worldwide and famous programming contests. Okay, so how to use ChatGPT uh, in solving programming and code contests. Follow me in this video. Before we follow this video, please subscribe to the channel to reach every new video we upload. And for us, don't forget to like and write a good comment to encourage us to continue. And if you have any question, ask and I will make a video for you. So this is the problems of this contest, educational code forces round 153. So I go game on permutation, and I copied this problem here. I read it carefully first and then copy it, and then I will go to the ChatGPT and paste it. When I paste this problem, I ask him to write me a code in some programming code language like Python, C++, JavaScript, any programming language you prefer and you are skillful in programming in it. So the ChatGPT wrote the code in Python in just less than 1 minute. This means that this program is not accurate 100%. You have to compile it and test it. So here we have the problem, we have the test, we have cases here as the samples, and we have here this for the number of tests, and this t greater than 1 and less than 10 of thousands. This means I can do the test for greater than one time, at least one time, and less than 10,000 of times. So here I put it as 4 times. I will do the test for the program 4 times, and every one I have 2 lines. The first line include a single integer n, and n here greater than 1 and less than 3 times 10 power 5. And here the second line, which is this one, include the here. So we have three items. So I will enter 3 items of the list of the array. This is the probabilities. And here I have it contains n integers. So I have from b1 until bn. So b1 until bn. So b1 greater than 1 and less than n. Because n here is 3, so it will be from 1 to 3. So just 3 times, 3 elements. Here we have 2, so it's 2 elements. Here we have 3 elements, and here we have 4, so we have 4 elements. Okay, so this is the output. In each time the program will work the number of lucky elements in the permutation, and here the lucky element, you have to read this carefully. This is a problem which are solving. So then we go to the Python compiler and paste this code, copy and paste this code. Okay, this code I will paste it here. Okay, and then I will run it. When I run this code, I will take the inputs from here. This is the inputs. So I have 4 and 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, and so on. So the first case 3, 2, 1, 3. So let's go back here, and then the number of tests is 4. Write the number of tests and enter 3. And here 3, 2, 1. Here 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. So 2, space 2 space 1 space 3 and then enter. So it give me 2, but here in the problem we have the output 1, so the program is not accurate. He writes the program as a program, it's very good, but you have to understand the program very well and make modification for this code so you can solve the problem and win the prize. Okay, so here we have some difficult code. This one, how to understand this code. I will copy it and go here and paste, and when I paste it, how to use this code, he gave me that input and split. It makes splitting to using input, so I will split this and each one I will take the integer of it and then make map so to convert it to list. So the input will be like this, separated by spaces, and then the output will be put it in a list. So the integer list will equal this one. So the input should be like this, separated by space, and it take each one, split it and put it as a separate element, and this is the integer. This is here entered as a character, but it's here as an integer. Okay, using this one, and the map convert this from just entered values to list values. Okay, to a list of our list data type. So by this way you can understand very well the program and solve the problem and win the prize easily. Here the program consists of a function, and this is the main function. Okay, this is the main function, which will calculate the lucky element which is need in the program. Here you have to calculate the number of lucky elements, okay, and will be the output. Here lucky elements is 1, here no lucky element, he need 1, here 2 numbers or 2 lucky elements, not 1 but 2 in the fourth case. So here this is the function for calculating the lucky element. You have to modify this to correct the error happened, and here you have to enter the t, which is here in this case 4, and 4 I in range t or some variable, and here is the number of the arrays elements, and here the array elements and the array or the list data type, and here the result which will calculate it from operating this function, calculate the lucky elements and then print the result. Very very easy program. The problem is here you have to think quickly and constantly and with concentration to find the problem here in this code and modify it to run and win the contest. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and write a good comment and write any question and reply to you with a good answer in a separate video or in a comment. Thanks. With you, Mr. Osama Gandour, engineer and educator in Nasir STEM School.